Good morning everyone, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I just woke up before 10 minutes or 15 and now I will start my daily routines using my iPhone 16 Pro Max as a daily driver. I even put my both SIM cards, my private and my personal SIM card, and everything I do on my device. Today I will do this on my iPhone 16 Pro Max, so you can see with these two SIM cards this will be an intense use. So to be honest, I'm using now iOS 18.1 beta, but that's how I use every iOS device, so to me this is not a problem. And the battery life between the stable version and beta version, I can say in the beta version it's even better. Now I will start my daily routine by drinking my first coffee, and after that I will go to work, and let's check how this device will perform in my day, and we'll check the battery at the end of the video. Let's just show you the battery life now. You can see I just lost charge to 100% and now I'm starting using it. So we are 100% unplugged before 10 minutes and we'll check it at the end of the day. Let's start it. First cup of water and first cup of coffee are on the way. It's 7:45 in the morning and I'm going to the school with my kid just to let him there, and we'll continue to my workplace. Okay, because the school is near to my house, I'm already in the car and I will check my morning report from my Garmin watch, how I was asleep that night. Sleep score is 94, which is pretty good, 7 hours and 56 minutes. And here are the sleep stages, so that was recharging, sleeping. And keep in mind, it's going to be a great day. Okay, now we are ready to start the car. You will see it's very cold outside, 1 degree. This is the coldest morning and winter is coming. A view from my car. I'm driving to work. And you can see it's 8 o'clock and 1 minute. Hi. 2 hours and 10 minutes I think passed since I unplugged iPhone 16 Pro Max from the charger, and now it's to 93% of battery life. And by the way, iPhones are not holding battery to 100% for a long period of time like before. They are dropping now from 100 to 99 way more quicker. And let me just show you here. This is a photovoltaic plant and this is what I'm working. Our company is building photovoltaic plants. This one is 4 megawatts and it's near my home city for my luck. And by the way, everything which is showing on your screen and iPhone 16 Pro Max is not showing on it, that means it's recorded with iPhone 16 Pro Max in 4K 30 FPS. And this is a PV plant that we are building right now. Guys, I will continue updating you through the whole day, so we can see this iPhone 16 Pro Max will last me a whole day like my OnePlus 12 is doing, or it can't do this, or it can handle the whole day. So let's continue. Okay guys, in my car again. Here is the iPhone 16 Pro Max in that beautiful Banks case, and because my car is not supporting Apple CarPlay, I will use my device as a Navi just by putting it here like the old times, but this is the sacrifice for that day in life. You can see the battery is already 91% with 2 SIM cards, and we are 9 o'clock in the morning. This will be a heavy day for that iPhone. I'm not sure it will last for a whole day, but at the end of the video we will understand that. Okay, let's just start the navigation. Okay, I will leave it here like the old times, and I will start driving now to my office. I will stop here in that shop just to get something for breakfast, a quick breakfast, and we will pay it now with my iPhone. Okay, quick update. It's 10:15 and we have 83% left in the battery. It's time for second coffee. Let's wait the machine to heat up and start. Yes, it's ready. Now let's start the coffee. Okay, I'm finally here in my office to do some work. Here is the iPhone and let's check it. For now, I have a big issue that this iPhone 16 Pro Max can't recognize me always when I'm with sunglasses, and this is for me a big problem because this is a very big phone, and if I need every time to write the passcode to unlock the device, this will be really an issue for me because I need two hands, and two hands is unacceptable for me in 2024 year because these are big devices. And the other big problem is if I need to check my notifications, I need to stretch my finger up to the upper left corner and swipe it down, and you can see it even not working every time. This is something I really hate about the iOS. Other thing that I need to mention, the touch problems coming with iOS 18, they are still not fixed with iOS 18.1 beta. Yes, it's better, the situation is definitely better, but it's still not fixed. We have problems when you are typing on the keyboard, and we have other issues when you are even try to tap on somewhere. It just did not recognize the touches every time. Yes, it's better than the iOS 18, but it's not still fixed. Please, Apple, fix that. I even came to the part that I disabled this camera button or camera control just to not work because I want to test if the problem is coming from here or not. It's unusable for me, that's why I just disable it. So let's check what happened. You can see 10:41, the battery is 80%. It's going pretty good, I can say. Mainly I'm using here Telegram 15%, home and lock screen. I just even don't know what's this. YouTube 10%, settings 9%, Chrome, flashlight, camera, Google Maps 4%, Photos, Fusion Solar. This is a Huawei application for all the solar inverters. Reddit, Facebook, phone is used for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes of phone calls, and I have two SIM cards. You can see these separate bars. Both are the same operator, and I'm using also regular switching between 5G on both SIM cards and between Wi-Fi, mostly on 5G. Okay, it's 1 o'clock p.m. and we are now at 70% battery life, which is pretty good. I'm driving again from one of the places we are working. You can see the mountains and this beautiful view. Let me just show you in the car that it's really 1 o'clock. Okay guys, 14:30 and we have 62% of battery left on our iPhone 16 Pro Max, and here we have an important job to do. This is my fermentator, which I'm trying to do some home brewing, and this is my new beer fermentating, and now we can check it. It's around 15 psi. I will regulate that, but we need to check it regularly, and everything looks all right for now. Guys, one of the biggest problems with iPhone 16 Pro Max is that even though I have inserted two SIM cards, one eSIM and one physical SIM card, I have still the problem that I can't use it fully because I have, for example, I need to use dual Viber Messenger, one for my private card and one for my work card, but the problem is the iPhones and iOS at all are missing dual messenger. So even though I have two SIM cards, I can't use dual messenger applications like Viber. And you can see it is at max brightness because it's very sunny outside. It's visible, not the best, but it's visible. So dual messenger is really a problem for me. I want somehow to fix that, but I can't find a solution, or at least I can't find a solution for Viber. Quick update again. Let's check. So it recognized me because I'm without the sunglasses. With the sunglasses, always a problem to recognize me. I'm not sure what's happening with this Face ID. So let's check how it's going. The battery, you can see it's 1611 and we have 51% battery left in the tank. What we are using up to that moment, let's go in settings, battery, and let's see, home and lock screen 16%. I'm not sure what's happening here, probably because of the locks and unlocks of the device. It's recognized that home and lock screen, and you can see these reflections are very bad. If this phone has this coating, anti-reflection coating of S24 Ultra, it will be perfect, but we missed that here. We have here a Telegram flashlight for 70 hours and 31 minutes. This is of course not true, probably because it was staying in the background. I'm not sure why. You can see all the apps staying in the background, and flashlight is removed a long time ago. So what's the deal here? I'm not sure. And how it's even measuring these 70 hours of flashlight. Fusion Solar, Google Photos, YouTube camera. I need to turn on hotspot from time to time, and using my OnePlus 12 device only for the second Viber. A very strange situation, but this is how iOS is working. So let's move on. Quick update, I'm back from work, 17:25, and we have 46% of juice. It's around 8 o'clock and we have 42% left in battery of iPhone 16 Pro Max. I will do my evening walk just to finish a little bit more, just to make a little bit more steps before going to bed. And of course I will not go to bed now. Before that I need just to check few beers, what's happened with them, and after that I will do a recap of the whole day and go to bed, of course. Okay, it's 8:30, we have 37% of juice and it's time for a beer. Cheers! Hi guys, 2 beers later, I'm already done with iPhone 16 Pro Max. It is 21:46 or 9:46 for my American friends, and we have 30% battery left in the tank, and this is pretty good result. I was not expecting that with 2 SIM cards, 5G and mixed usage of mobile data and Wi-Fi. To me, the biggest drain of the battery is coming from that 5G on both SIM cards. When you are using mobile data, it is draining lots of power from both SIM cards, and because around 5 to 6 o'clock I was in my home and mostly I was using Wi-Fi here. Probably that was saving the battery up to that moment. It is 30%, and we are almost 10 o'clock in the evening. I will go to the bed after maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour maybe. But before that, of course, I will just listen a little bit of music, and also I will listen a book when I go to bed. Always I listen a book, and this will be a Storytel application. And at the end I will make a screenshot. Of course, at the end of the video you can see the screenshot and the real result. So today's usage of my iPhone 16 Pro Max was okay, except the things which are driving me crazy, and this is the touchscreen issue still persists on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple, please fix that. I'm using 18.1 beta and I still have that issue. This is really annoying for such an expensive device. Apple should do something about this. Also, the other thing is dual messenger. I just can't clone up and on iOS because I have 2 SIM cards and I need 2 Viber accounts, but I can't clone it. So I was pushed to use my second device, make a hotspot from my iPhone to my OnePlus 12 so I can use my second Viber, because it's really important for me. My private is also important, and this is one of the reasons. The other reason, the other thing which is annoying me was the Face ID. Most of the time, because it was sunny day, I was with sunglasses and I just can't open my device with the sunglasses. I need to swipe one time, lock it again and enter my passcode, which is not very useful and not very convenient with such a big device. You can't stretch your finger here to open, enter the passcode and enter the device. This is a big device, wide device, and it's not very comfortable to use. One of my friends told me that the Face Unlock need to learn itself for some time, but to be honest, I'm using the same sunglasses for maybe 1 year, and I'm using iPhone 16 Pro Max almost 2 weeks now. Not every day, but maybe 50% of the time I was using it with my sunglasses, same sunglasses every day. So I think this is not a learned pattern. It should be learned already, but these are the issues I was expecting from that device. Now we have 1% drop down to 29, which I think is okay. Maybe I will finish at 25 or something, which is completely okay. Everything above 20 is okay for me. My OnePlus 12 is finishing the day maybe around 30-35, but to be honest, I can't use the device on the next day with 35%, so at night I am putting it on a wireless charger. That's why it's just, if I finish the day, it's okay for me. So guys, this was my day in the life review of iPhone 16 Pro Max. I was trying to use that device. Probably I will not use it daily. I will continue using my OnePlus 12 because I'm an Android guy and this device just suits me better than. I also own S24 Ultra, which I'm using now to record this video, but I have sensitive eyes and S24 Ultra just hurts my eyes with this PWM. You can read about this. And this was everything. I think the device finished the day. Everything was okay, almost everything. I was showing you my whole day experience, my job, my home things, and everything I do, almost everything I do every day. That's why, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like my other videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.